Denise! Oh my gosh! Denise, welcome to the Ask a CFO show. I love your question. Denise is the best. Denise is the owner of DCA Virtual. She is not only the most incredible virtual assistant it has ever been my pleasure to cross paths, but she's the owner of the company, and she has built the finest team it has ever been my pleasure to work with. Denise asks, how do you know what level of bookkeeping you need for your business? Oh, I love that. So great question. Here's the answer. The answer is, to what level, to what extent can you use that information? Okay, if you ever find yourself looking at accounting information or wondering about it just to know, stop and move on. If you ever print a report, look at it and go, stick it in a drawer or the shredder and move on, it's not worth your time. Here's the flow that needs to happen. You look at information from your bookkeeping. You have an aha moment. Oh my gosh! That aha moment means one of two things, which I'll tell you about in a moment. And then there's an opening for action out of that aha moment, and then you take action accordingly. So the aha moment, the buzz. What's the buzz? Jamie hinted at aha moments, and now we're at the edge of our seats. The aha moment is, aha! I can stop worrying about it because it's working really well. Or option two, aha! It's really not working well at all, and I need to do something to change the situation. Of course, best case scenario, there's also option three. Aha, it's working great, and it's time to expand. Where's my Paula #adventure? And try something new, maybe capitalize on a new opportunity. Aha, it's time. So those are one of your three aha moments. So first of all, you get into the mental mindset of, how can I use my bookkeeping information? And we'll talk more about that in a moment. And then two, make sure that every time you look at accounting information, you have an aha moment. I don't have to worry. I need to change something. It's time to capitalize on an opportunity. And then you take action. Each one of those aha moments has its own opening for action. So you're either going to move on with your life and or get a better night's sleep, take some action, maybe do something differently in your business. I mean, it could be anything. It could be talk to someone who's been there and done that. It could be, I didn't think it would work anyway. Let's stop this and do something else in order to achieve the same goal. Or option three, all right, it's time to capture that next opportunity. What's the next step in order to do that? So I hinted before, and now I will fulfill that promise, the nitty-gritty of what level of bookkeeping you need. Let's assume that you're now identifying yourself as someone who's going to have those aha moments, and you're clear on what are the three types of aha moments to have. The nitty-gritty of it includes, are you not only getting complete financial information, but are you also getting information about revenues and profitability of each type of product or service that your business sells? Customer type, which could include a geography, or retail versus wholesale. Or it doesn't have to include customers, donor types, individual donors, let's say, versus corporate donors, or one-time givers versus recurring givers. That's the next level of detail below overall financials that you're going to need for your income tax returns, whether you're for-profit or not-for-profit. Other levels of detail could include the gross revenues and profitability of multiple locations if your organization, for-profit or not-for-profit, operates in multiple locations. There are lots of ways to slice and dice your business, and the three accounting packages that I named earlier are all capable of producing this kind of information. Now you take that information and you go a level deeper. How about job costing for, let's say, construction companies or development companies? How profitable is this job? You can even use certain aspects of your accounting system. Look at me, I'm bouncing. Like, this is this is what lights a CPA on fire. Denise, I love you. I love this question. You can even look at how profitable a job is going to be by using certain elements of your accounting system that help you look into the future, in addition to payables and receivables, which are the oh so popular, as Michelle Riff can attest, aspects of accounting. to non-posting transactions, which are called different things in different accounting systems, but there might be things like estimates or purchase orders, which is what they're called in QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. In Xero, they're called invoices that are awaiting approval. They're in there, and you can do some reporting, you can get some information on them, but they don't post yet to the financial statements. Denise, I love you. You're the best. Thank you. Hector, welcome. Hector, what a QuickBooks brain is on the line. He's got such a big heart, an amazing teacher as well. He has an accounting firm down in the Southeast Florida area. Hector, so much. Thanks so much for joining. Feel free to ask a question or post an answer. So that's my answer to Denise's question about how do you know what level of bookkeeping you need for your business. And of course, never forget that if someone else is handling your bookkeeping, you need to be looking at certain reports, beginning with, but not ending with, your bank and credit card reconciliations to make sure they're accurate, complete, and up to date. More information on that can be gained if anyone asks a question about it. If those are not complete, though, I mean, that's the first level. None of your other reports can even be believed, can even be relied upon if your bank and credit card reconciliations are not accurate, complete, and up to date. All right, beautiful. By the way, teaser. The bank reconciliation is the #1 best place in your whole accounting system to prevent and detect fraud. Oh yeah, you heard it here first. I've given entire sessions just on using your bank reconciliation to prevent and detect fraud. Michelle has a comment, the best level you can achieve with the resources available. Why expect anything less? Thank you. Thank you. Why expect anything less? The best level you can achieve with the resources available. Absolutely.